So if you hide this column over here, then if someone knows Excel, they can already just open that up and see the answers to the quiz. So we don't want that. So one of the ways that we know how to lock and unlock cells is we're going to choose these ones that the user can select. So I'm keeping Control in on my keyboard, and we format them, and for protection, usually by default they would be set to locked. So we have to say unlocked, and then all the rest of these that we don't want the user to have access to, we just say format cells, and we say they are locked. Okay, and then this whole cell over here, this whole column over here, we don't want the user to see. So I'm going to say hide, and then we're going to protect the sheet, and then select the unlocked cells. So these ones that we have unlocked, those are the only ones the user can actually have access to. So you can see now I can't type in anything. Even if I double click over there, it does not work. But I can type in correct or wrong answers. Surya, and then it says oops. If I type in the correct answer, so now, oh, Beijing, there's an extra J in there. So only the user can type in the yellow part. So this is how we use the sheet protection to do this. If they do want to have access to that, then they have to go to unprotect sheet, and then they have to type in the password. And now we can see what the formula is, and yeah, and we can also unhide this. So that's how we would do that specific question over there. Then they say open the worksheet mark book. Students need to get 75 marks or more to pass math, otherwise they fail. Write a function in D4 to display, pass, or fail. So we need to open the mark book. So if they get 75 or more, then they pass, otherwise they fail. So we just say if our condition, if this is less than 75, then it's a fail. If it's greater than, so if it's the opposite of that, then they pass. And this person got 75, so I made a typo somewhere. Oh, I forgot to put in my quotation mark over there. So it needs to be, if it's less than 75, so if it's on 75, they're still passing. 75 or more. So we have done that. Replicate this function for the other math results. So this is everything for math, so we can just take that, and that is true, that's a fail, that's a pass, and that's a fail. And students need to get 60 marks or more to pass English, otherwise they fail. So again, we say if the test is if their mark is less than, I think it was 65, just make double sure, oh, 60. If it's less than 60, then they fail, otherwise or else. So if this test is not true, so if it's greater than 60, then they pass. So let's see if this function makes sense. 60 is pass because it's not less than 60. That should be a pass, that should be a pass, and this should be a pass. So everyone passed their English tests. And that's that. So you can just submit this final Excel sheet, and then I'll mark that. But this is how we use the conditional function if on quizzes and for marks. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day.